This video is about Blue Grotto Capri Italy, natural wonder of the seas. The majestic Blue Grotto Capri Italy, a natural sea cave, is a wonder of nature with its impressive 60-meter length and 25-meter width. Its crystalline blue waters create an entrancing atmosphere that has captivated tourists and locals alike, making it one of the most beloved attractions in the area. The Blue Grotto tour in Capri, Italy has an entrance to the cave that is an astonishing 2 meters in width, yet just a meter tall, so visitors have to board tiny rowboats that can only take 4 passengers at a time. The skipper will have you lounge at the base of the boat as he expertly guides you through the opening with a metal chain link to the walls of the cave, as to be said that is incredible. The mysterious and awe-inspiring history of the grotto is something that leaves one in complete wonder. It's an intriguing topic with many questions yet to be answered. Back in the time of Tiberius, the grotto was transformed into a marine temple, and now it houses a number of ancient Roman statues on display at Casa Rosa and Anna Capri. Talk about being awestruck. For some time after, sailors were too scared to approach the Blue Grotto due to the frightening tales of spirits and monsters that dwelled there. How the Blue Grotto was discovered. It was an ordinary day in 1826 until fisherman Angelo Ferraro took August Kopisch and Ernst Fries to explore a cave. Their stories of its beauty and wonder soon spread, making the grotto a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Capri. The remarkable Blue Grotto is renowned for its breathtakingly beautiful blue waters, but why? The majestic azure blue color of the water within the cave is a result of the sunlight that enters through an underwater opening and directly faces the entrance of the cave. As the sunlight pierces through the water, it produces a magical blue hue as it filters out all red reflections, leaving only the entrancing blue to illuminate the cave. Have you ever noticed the silver reflections of objects in the water? This phenomenon is caused by tiny bubbles that cover the outside of objects underwater. These bubbles refract light differently than the surrounding water, creating a mesmerizing silvery effect. Step into the wooden rowboat and be taken away to the awe-inspiring Blue Grotto. Climb aboard the beautiful rowboat and take an incredible journey to a different world. Your experienced skipper will guide you carefully under the small stone entrance with ease. Be in awe as you drift through the opening, feeling your senses awaken in this magical new world. Stepping into the cavern is an awe-inspiring experience, complete darkness transforming into a twinkling azure blue glow, an echoing melodic Neapolitan song bouncing off the walls. Meandering in the waters of Grotta Azzurra, you feel as though you have been blessed with an opportunity to witness a miracle. Don't miss out on this amazing experience and explore why it is the most celebrated destination in Capri Island. When is the perfect time to visit the Blue Grotto of Capri, Italy? Astonishing glimmers of light light up the cavern between noon and 2 in the afternoon, though its spectacular reflections shimmer throughout the morning. You should think twice before you visit the grotto when it's cloudy, as it takes away the beauty of sunlight reflecting off of the cave walls. The afternoons, after 3 p.m., are usually calmer, but bear in mind that rough seas can close down access to the cave. Are you wondering how to explore the incredible Blue Grotto with your kids? No matter the age, visitors of all ages are welcome to experience the beauty of the Blue Grotto. However, it is important to note that getting into the cave involves rowing a boat and can be challenging for younger and smaller children as well as infants due to the long wait time in direct sunlight. Can you believe it? Blue Grotto is open during winter too. Incredible, isn't it? Astonishingly, the Blue Grotto is accessible even in mild winter weather. However, it may be closed between November and March depending on the climatic conditions. During winter, the Marina Grande Port can get closed sometimes. Are you ready for the shocker? The entrance fee to the majestic Blue Grotto Capri is unbelievably cheap. The floating ticket office charges a total of 14 euros for entry fees, with the rowboat costing 10 euros an additional entry fee of 4 euros. Kids 6 and under can get in the premises for free. If you're part of the EU and under 18, you can get in free too. All you have to pay is 10 euros for a rowboat ride. Amazing, right? The amazing offer for EU citizens between 18 and 25 years old is simply astounding, 50% off the entry ticket, resulting in a very reasonable cost of 12 euros. Touring the grotto in a rowboat to experience the wonders of Blue Grotto. You not only need a ticket for the boat tour from Marina Grande but also an additional ticket for the grotto itself. Be mesmerized by the beauty of the Mediterranean Sea on a boat tour, at just €17 per person. Round-trip transfers to and from the awe-inspiring Blue Grotto can also be arranged, for just €14 per person. Prices may change at any time. Check before going. Remember to ask about tipping beforehand, as it could have been revised. Thank you. Please like and subscribe for more videos.